Hey everyone, in this video we are discussing about two concepts in economics, macroeconomics and microeconomics. Microeconomics. Microeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individuals, households and firms in making decisions regarding the allocation of scarce resources. It focuses on the interactions between buyers and sellers and how they determine prices and quantities in markets. Microeconomics examines how individuals and firms make decisions about production, consumption, and pricing of goods and services, as well as how these decisions affect the allocation of resources. It also studies how markets work, how they can fail, and how government policies can be used to correct market failures. Next is the key concepts in microeconomics. They are supply and demand, elasticity, consumer and producer surplus, market structure, game theory. Macroeconomics. It is a branch of economics that studies the economy as a whole, rather than individual markets or actors. It deals with aggregate phenomena such as inflation, economic growth, unemployment, and the balance of trade. Macroeconomics examines the interrelationships between different sectors of the economy, such as the government, households, and businesses. It also studies the role of government policies, such as monetary policy and fiscal policy. Key concepts in macroeconomics are GDP, gross domestic product, inflation, and unemployment.